Are you looking for the perfect swimwear for plus-size women? I'd like to show you some swimwear designs that are perfect for curvy or plus-size women. Most of us who are plus-size face difficulty in finding swimwear that fits our bodies perfectly. The good news is that we can find beautiful swimwear online where we can compare different styles and designs. In this content, we have showcased stunning two-piece swimsuits as well as some one-piece swimsuits. Many women claim that one-piece swimsuits provide a lot of confidence, but based on my sales experience, I can see that both styles are equally popular. One similarity I notice in the purchase of swimwear for plus-size women is that they look for pieces that are comfortable and provide more security to protect our bodies. When I say protect our bodies, I mean that these women are seeking practical solutions and don't want to wear a small swimsuit to avoid any embarrassing moments, according to their perspective and the societal pressures we face. Therefore, I hope you like the swimwear pieces and that they become essential items for you to enjoy this summer without any fear. If you like the swimwear showcased in this content, I would appreciate your comments and knowing which specific swimsuit or design was your favorite. Don't forget to subscribe to receive updates on plus-size fashion. I hope that the swimsuits that I have shown will be an inspiration to get a perfect swimsuit so that you can enjoy this summer with the best swimsuit of the season.